Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On this channel, I do analysis of coins and do a lot of things, reviews, you know, and all. But today we'll be looking at the Bonk chart, and we'll be looking at the different price action and the regions, and what we can do, to position ourselves for the bull market. Okay, so we all know how Bonk has done crazy hard high for people who bought it early. But if you look at it closely, you will see that from the from the period where it went to its all-time high to the current price that we have right now, it has done more than 150%, drop, So I've drawn this chart for a while. I've been following. I took, I followed it down to this point. I entered a lot of trades while going up, then coming back, and then I exited some trades around here, and now we are here. So I believe this is an opportunity for people who want to, get hold of Bonk. Bonk is like the king of meme coin right now, and you can invest in it strategically, especially at this critical level. Following um, my support and resistance line, you can see critical areas that I've marked out on this chart. So right now, it is at this critical support level here. And if we look at um, this is 4 hour time frame. So on this current time zone, we can see a bounce trying to happen here. Well, this is by no means a confirmation anyways. Um, for the we need to wait for the candle to close and then look for um, a reversal signal. But take note that this is a very critical support level, and my assumption is that it's going to bounce just like it bounced here. You know, it's going to bounce here and rally around and go up. And if that does not happen, what we could have is that if it breaks here, then this is our next target. So if you are a trader and you would like to, you know, get some bunk, I think this is the best time for you to get it. You can use strategic buying methods such as DCA, to that's dollar cost averaging. So what that means is that if you are buying with, let's say you have $500, you can divide it into three. Buy one here. That's for those people who are buying on spot. Buy one right now at this point, then you can buy another one at this critical junction here, and then you can buy the next one if eventually it gets here, which is like a worst case scenario that can happen. And for those of us that will be, trading on futures, yeah, so you can use leverage, very low leverage, such as 3 to 5 leverage, and you can, if we see a confirmation here, actually you can also do DCA using your future account, but um, you need to know what you are doing. You don't over leverage your account. So you can enter a long position from here. If you see a confirmation, how do you know a confirmation? If this candle closed green, and is bullish, let's say it's almost at this level, at the level of the previous candle, if it closes like that, and then the next candle also, then you have a reversal, or it breaks this um, downtrend line that I drew here, then we know we have a reversal. So if you look at it from this current price here down to the next uh, resistance level, we have close to like 40%, you know, 40%. If you even if you buy on spot, that means you'll be, targeting 40% return on your investment. So for somebody who is trading on futures, say you are using a 5% leverage, which is low, then you'll be expecting like 200% ROI on the trade if you allow it to get to this next critical resistance level here. So that's like 200%. And if you are using like 3% leverage, then you'll be aiming for a minimum of 100% ROI on it. I'll be taking a position here right now. At the end of this call, I'm going to take a long position. And if things go south, then at 20%, I'll be going on futures, and I'll be using a 5% leverage. So if it goes down more to say 20%, which will almost be going to like a liquidation point, what I will do is that I will DCA, enter another position, to average my price. I will do that until I get to this point. I will do that. There is no way I will not come out in profit at the end of the day. And if this trade goes well from here without breaking this support, then it goes on here and I'll be expecting something like 200% or even 150. This can happen within a month or less than, you know. So, trading is risky. You need to, you know, weigh your risk to reward ratio and do not over leverage your account. So I'm just making this quick video to show you what has happened, on Bonk and where we are. So everybody can clearly see this area is a psychological level for traders. So we are expecting a bounce. We are expecting a bounce. And the worst case scenario is that it will rally around to this point, come back and try to test this support multiple times before it breaks, and then we are expecting a bounce. So yeah, that is that. So keep an eye on Bonk. If you can replicate this chart, that would be nice to monitor your trades. You can always reference it anytime. So yeah, that is that. We'll take a position and then we'll monitor it for a few days and see what comes out of it. You can see the RSI here is critically at 27, which is oversold level. So we are waiting. If you are an indicator user, you should know what to do here. That what you are waiting for is what? A pullback into the you know into the region, and you take your position. So critically now is at already oversold level and it is going down, even though there is a little reversal here. And what you need to wait, you need to do is you need to wait so that the line comes back into the buy area, and then you know you ride on with it. Me, I'm not really a fan of indicators because most indicators are reactive. They react to what price has done, but using your technical knowledge, and this is just a simple chart, trend lines and support and resistance. So with that, you are good. If you understand what you are doing, you can combine that one with candlestick patterns, and you know you'll be okay. So yeah, you already know what to do now. And what's this is like, if you know cycles of trading, you will notice that this is like completed one cycle. This is another cycle, and another cycle will probably be like, you know like that. So yeah, take position and manage your risk accordingly. So thank you for uh, watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Give it a thumbs up and you can share to your friends. It's a very short video, but I think you gain one or two things from here. and you know what to do. So thank you guys.